Hello YouTube, Dylan Olson here, and in this video, I'm going to be teaching you all how to draw Joy from Disney and Pixar's Inside Out. So get a piece of paper, get a good pencil, and start off with what's basically a circle shape that's about the size of a golf ball. This is going to be her head. And like I always say in my tutorials, draw very loose, light, and messy at first. Because we're not going to use all these lines later on, we're going to cover some of them up later. Then we draw what will be her neck, a line. And then for her body, we draw kind of a rectangle shape. This is her main body. And then we draw kind of a stretched triangle shape. That's her skirt. I'm not drawing her whole body. If you want to do it your way, that's fine. So then we draw her arms. And we're going to make her look like she's excited. And so her arms are going to be like this. Then we can draw 2 sticks for legs. Next, we need to draw a center line that goes across to know where her eyes will fall, and a center line down the middle to know where the middle of her face will be. So we've got our basic shapes in. First thing we need to do is draw her hair. Her hair is... We'll start with the front ends of her hair. You have a bang that comes to a point and goes near the middle of her face. Then you're going to draw this shallow S shape right here. Then you're going to draw another curve, and then right here you're going to draw 3 really small zigzag lines. And then you're going to repeat a similar process on the back side. This is the back side of her hair. And then right here, you're going to draw kind of a curve that goes up like this. Then you can close off this side of her hair right here with a curve. And then you draw another little point that comes off like this. Another curve right here. And then right up here is the main point of her hair. That is, it's going to be in a lot of zigzag lines. So take your time, draw these. Then here's point right there. And then you can add a few details in her hair. And then we can beef off the lower end of her head with some curved lines. Well, one curved line that goes like this. Now, before we get to the other details, we need to finish off her face. So let's start by drawing her eyes. And her eyes are these really tall half ovals, except for this one. This is like half an oval. And then the ends, the bottom ends of these ovals are curved. And then add a little bit of detail at the top ends of her eyes. These are the eye to indicate eyelashes. And then you can put a small little U shape right between, on the bottom, between the eyes for her nose. And then we need to get the irises of her eyes, which will be these little ovals. Well, this one will almost be a perfect circle. So these eyeballs are going to go in there. Then we put the pupils of those eyes. And then the highlights in the eyes. And as always, you can color those in black. And now let's make her smile. So there's her grin. And then we need to draw another slightly thin curved line. This will be her upper lip. Then you're going to repeat the similar process with the shallow U shape and then draw another thin line. This is the lower lip. Make sure her mouth is open so that we see her teeth. And then we draw the line for her teeth and then shade in the sides like that. Next thing we got to do, we got to draw her neck on both sides. Then we need to draw her shoulders. Okay, so let's draw the details of her arms. So you're going to draw this sleeve. If you remember, she wears a tank top. Draw that. And then we need to draw her hands as well, including her fingers. Draw this S curve. And then you connect that sleeve of her tank top with this little upside down L, or J for that matter. And now we need to draw the other arm. And like I said, we're going to draw her, make her look like she's excited to see us. So you draw this J, that's her thumb. Draw her finger, one finger here, it's like a moon shape. One more moon-shaped finger here. And then draw the forearm, then draw this curve. And if you need to, make sure her fingers are thin enough, or fix this area. And then put a U shape here. Okay, so we got that. Now we're going to throw in the rest of her body. Draw a curve here. This is where her skirt will start. And to draw her skirt, you put these curve shapes here. And to make the skirt look like it's folding, you draw these kind of square shapes, but they're not, you know, full. Just like that. And then we need to draw her feet or legs. I can't get her feet, but that's okay. And then if you want, if you remember, she's got like these firework pattern on her skirt, which is an indication of this, you know, emotion that you see in the movie. Just take your time. Make some small, make some medium. And there you have it. That is Joy. Hope you all had fun. Please make sure to like, subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time. Bye.